Spinning tales with words. Direct versus reported speech. Hello, language explorers. Today, we'll dive into the realm of mixed direct and reported speech. It's an exciting way to diversify your English language usage, making your storytelling more dynamic and vivid. Before we venture into the territory of mixed speech, let's quickly revisit direct and reported speech. Direct speech. Direct speech is when the original words of a speaker are quoted. For instance, John said, "I am going to the market." Here, the exact words of John are being used, hence it's direct speech. Reported speech. In contrast, reported speech, also known as indirect speech, doesn't quote the speaker directly. Instead, it gives the essence of what they said. Using the previous example, the reported speech would be, John said that he was going to the market. Now that we're clear on direct and reported speech, let's plunge into our main topic: mixed direct and reported speech. Mixed speech is when we use both direct and reported speech in the same sentence or statement. We often use this in conversation or storytelling to add more detail, nuance, and depth. Let's check out an example. Jane said, feeling exasperated, that, "This is the 5th time I've had to correct the same mistake." Here, the quotation, "This is the 5th time I've had to correct the same mistake," is direct speech, while Jane said, feeling exasperated, that is reported speech. It's now time to exercise our understanding of mixed direct and reported speech. I'll give you a few sentences with direct speech, and we'll transform them into mixed speech. 1. "I am exhausted," said John. 2. Mixed speech. John said that he was feeling so drained and added, "I am exhausted." 3. "This is amazing," exclaimed Sarah. 4. Mixed speech. Sarah was filled with joy as she exclaimed, "This is amazing." 5. "I can't believe this," whispered Mark. 6. Mixed speech. Mark, in disbelief, whispered, "I can't believe this." Remember, the key to mastering mixed speech is practice. Try converting more direct speech examples into mixed speech. That's all for today's exploration of mixed direct and reported speech. Remember, the more you experiment with this in your spoken and written English, the more natural it will become. Happy practicing, and we'll see you in our next language adventure.